everyone. Let us see. In this video, we are going to we are going to solve the problems based on rationalization. In this, what is rationalization and all, we'll go on further videos. In this one, we are going to learn about the identities relating to square roots. Already square roots we know. Identities also we know. Identities we are applying on the square roots problems. Like, suppose identities, what are the identities? We know that one as a plus b whole square identity we know. A plus b whole square is an identity. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And a minus b whole square also we know. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And one more identity also we know. A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. These are the algebraic identities already we know. Here, using those algebraic identities and the laws of square roots, we derived few more identities which we are going to use this one in the rationalization one. So let us see those ones. The first identity, square root a whole square equal to a. What is this one? Square root a whole square equal to a. How it will be? Square root a whole square can also be written as square root a into square root a. So this can also be written as square root of a times a. This is equal to square root of a square, right? Square root of a square means here square and root gets cancelled. So we will get a only. Got it? Here, so this is nothing but a itself. This is the identity. Instead of doing all this one, we will keep the identity in the mind and we will solve the sums. This one already we learned in class 8. This is square root of a times square root of b equal to square root of ab. Already we learned this one. Square root a by square root b equal to square root of a by b. This is also laws of square roots. In class 8 we learned this one. Now here you see, this is identity, algebraic identity we use over here. Let this one be a plus b into a minus b. Using this identity, what do we write this one? This is equal to square root a whole square minus square root b whole square. Using this one, root and square gets cancelled, root and square gets cancelled. We will get a minus b, right? So using this one, all this one, directly we wrote the identity there. This is not required now, no need to write it. Now the same manner here also, a plus b root b times a minus root b equal to a plus b into a minus b. Using the identity a square minus b square, a square only, root b whole square will become again b there, minus b. Now here root a plus root b whole square. Here root a plus root b whole square means this we are applying the identity a plus b whole square identity. What is a plus b whole square identity? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So in the place of a, root a is there. So root a whole square plus 2 into root a into root b plus root b whole square. Square and root gets cancelled, square and root gets cancelled. Here a plus 2 root ab plus b. A plus 2 root ab plus b. Same manner here a minus 2 root ab plus b. Here you see root a into root c will become root ac. Root a into root d will become root ad plus root b times root c will give you root bc plus root b times root d will give you root bd. These are all the identities over there. Using these identities, we are going to solve the problems based on rationalization. And now placed on that one, here you see, first simplify the following. Few sums we are going to solve this one. Here simplify the following. Fourth root of 243 by fourth root of 3. Here square root of a by square root of b, using the same thing. Both of them are same, fourth root only. I am going to write this one, fourth root of 243 by 3. This 3 table will go in this one 81 times. So fourth root of 81. Fourth root of 81 can also be written as fourth root of 81 is 3 to the power 4. Prime factorization if I am doing, you will get 81 as 3 to the power 4. This can also be written as, here fourth root of can also be written as 3 to the power 4 whole to the power 1 by 4. Fourth root of, fifth root of also can be written as whole to the power 1 by 5. Yet cube root of can also be written as whole to the power 1 by 3. Here cube root of can also be written as, by cube root of a can also be written as a to the power 1 by 3. Here fourth root of a square can also be written as a square whole to the power 1 by 4. Fifth root of 32 can also be written as 32 whole to the power 1 by 5. Using the same thing here, fourth root of can be written as 3 to the power 4 whole to the power 4. So this is 3 to the power 4 times 1 by 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So here this is 3. In this manner we can solve it. Now here if I am going for this question, 5 plus root 7 times 2 plus root 5. Here we can't apply any identity over here. So I am going to multiply it proper manner. Here how this can write this one? 5 times 2 plus root 5 plus root 7 times 2 plus root 5. Okay, now 5 2s are 10 plus 5 times root 5 can also be written as 5 root 5 plus 2 times root 7 can be written as 2 root 7 plus root 7 times root 5. So here 10 plus 5 root 5 plus 2 root 7 plus root 35. 7 5s are 35. Nothing here, common ones are not there here. So we are leaving up to there only. We can't further simplify that one. Now going to the next question. Here this one. Root 11 minus root 5 whole square. Here we can use a minus b whole square formula. What is a minus b whole square formula? Using the formula a minus b whole square, we can write this one as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So using this formula, root 11 minus root 5 whole square equal to root 11 whole square minus 2 root 11 times root 5 plus root 5 whole square. So here square and root gets cancelled. Here also square and root gets cancelled. This is equal to 11 minus 2 root 11 times 5 plus 5. So this can be written as 11 plus 5 minus 2 root 55. This is 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 minus 2 root 55. We can up to there. We can solve up to there only. We can't do further simplification over there. So up to there we will stop it over here itself. In this manner, using the identities, we can simplify in this way. Is it clear? Thank you. In the next video, we are going to talk about the rationalization one. How to rationalize, and for that also we need this loss of identities and all. Then based on that one, we will solve the next one. Clear? Thank you.